Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Blackbucks Barnawapara Sanctuary. This topic relates to environment section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. The blackbuck, once locally extinct in Chhattisgarh Barnawapara Wildlife Sanctuary, has made a remarkable comeback after a successful 5-year revival plan initiated in 2018. The blackbuck had disappeared from the state due to poaching, habitat loss, and human encroachment. However, the Chhattisgarh government has worked towards its reintroduction, and the sanctuary now hosts 190 blackbucks. The revival plan is being considered as a model for other parts of the state. Now let's discuss about blackbucks. Blackbucks are native to the Indian subcontinent. The males possess corkscrew-shaped horns and dark brown to black coats, while the females have fawn-colored fur. These animals are primarily found in 3 major clusters in India: the northern, southern, and eastern regions. They are protected under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act, 1972. Hunting or poaching blackbucks is a non-bailable offense and can lead to imprisonment for up to 6 years. The Bishnoi community reveres the blackbuck as sacred. Now let's discuss about government efforts for conservation of blackbucks. In 2018, the Chhattisgarh State Forest Department initiated a 5-year revival plan to reintroduce blackbucks into Barnawapara Wildlife Sanctuary. The revival plan has resulted in the successful re-establishment of a blackbuck population in the sanctuary, with plans to expand this conservation model across the state. Now it's time to do a practice question. Consider the following statements regarding blackbucks. 1. It is worshipped by the Bishnoi community. 2. It is classified under Schedule 2 of the Wildlife Protection Act, 1972. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.